This is our very first live look at the upcoming OnePlus 12. We can see two color variants of the device which are white and green. The front looks really beautiful and the display is curved on the edges with very thin bezels. There is a punch hole camera cutout which looks okay, not that bad. From the back, the design is very similar to the previous OnePlus 11 and the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro launched a few months ago, with a circular camera cutout in the corner that is extending towards the left with a metallic plate that has a flash at the corner. It looks quite simple. I like this white color. There will also be a green color variant with some texture details to make it look more attractive. The power button and volume rockers are still on the left side, and the right side features a power button and an LED slider. The image also reveals a little more about the specs, but we don't need that. OnePlus already confirmed a lot of specs of OnePlus 12, almost all the specs to be honest. The phone has a 6.82-inch AMOLED display with a 2K resolution of 3168 into 1440 pixels, and you'll also get a smooth 120Hz refresh rate experience. It will also have 2160Hz PWM dimming and a pixel density of 510. This time there will be support for a maximum brightness of 4500 nits, surpassing the current flagship standard ranging between 2400 to 2600 nits. The phone will be powered by the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 that comes with noteworthy improvement to its performance thanks to the new chip structure and a peak clock speed of 3.3 GHz. It also has a new Adreno 750 GPU on board that helps improve graphics performance. The brand has also shared an insane Antutu benchmark score, as you can see, which will put it in contention for the best performance smartphones, and it will also have a massive 9400 mm square vapor chamber cooling system, making sure that high-powered chip can sustain its performance without throttling. The phone will be available in multiple LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage configurations, including a 24GB plus 1TB option. The battery will be getting a boost in capacity, bumping it up to 5400 mAh. 3C certification has revealed 100-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging support. There will also be a new vibration motor on board, which the brand is calling the Bionic Vibration Motor Turbo, and it claims to be 18% more powerful and 60% faster. So I would love to check that out. As for the software, the phone will debut with Android 14 based ColorOS 14. Let's not talk about cameras because it will be quite cool to check that out in real life when the phone will arrive on 5th of December. But these leaked images do give us a quite good look at the upcoming phone, but obviously the feel of experiencing the device itself is not yet. So just stay tuned with us because we are most likely to cover this device in future. Also, I'm quite excited about Realme GT5 Pro that is going to be head-to-head rival for this device, and we may cover that too, so just stay tuned. But for now, time to leave. Make sure to subscribe our channel to get more videos like this, and as always, we will see you in the next one.